Hello, my friends. Today, we will thoroughly learn how to effectively create a new group, also commonly known as a group chat, within the popular WhatsApp application. This straightforward method works seamlessly on WhatsApp Business as well as the regular standard WhatsApp app, and it functions perfectly on both Android and iPhone mobile devices. We start by opening the app as usual. Then we will proceed to tap on these three distinct dots that are located in this specific area. Following that action, we will carefully select the option labeled New Group. On this particular screen, it is absolutely essential that you proceed to add at least one individual person or alternatively one contact from your comprehensive list. For instance, as a clear demonstration, I will now proceed to add this specific number or this particular person, and therefore I will carefully select them directly from the available options presented right here. Furthermore, you possess the convenient ability to scroll downwards through the list and diligently search for any specific people you are intending to add to this particular group. For the purpose of this current demonstration, I will simply add just one person, and to accomplish this, I will simply tap right here on the designated area. First of all, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with your friends and family.
So you can easily add a distinctive name to this particular group. And you can also effortlessly add a relevant picture to this group as well. As for the feature of disappearing messages, you can conveniently set the specific duration after which all of your messages will be automatically and permanently deleted from the conversation. And here we have the group permissions. For example, I will now write a suitable name for this particular group. After that, I will then proceed to add a relevant picture. Here, several options will appear for you. You can easily delete a picture that you previously added, or you can simply take a brand new photo. Or you can add a ready-made picture that is already on your phone. You can also easily add a comprehensive set of various emojis, as well as a wide selection of stickers. And you can easily search the internet for a very specific picture or image. For example, I will now take a photograph. I will gently press in this particular spot. I will then quickly and efficiently take the photograph. After that, I meticulously press in this specific spot. Then I carefully adjust the overall size and subsequently press right here. And finally, I deliberately press this particular option. As for these numerous other available options, we will certainly dedicate a completely separate and detailed explanation for each of them in due course. If you've successfully reached this particular point in the video, please do not forget to thoroughly check out this incredibly useful list. This comprehensive playlist, which contains a variety of helpful WhatsApp tutorials, includes many important and detailed guides that you will undoubtedly find very beneficial and truly appreciate. Goodbye for now, my dear friends.